Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out this 1968 Mustang Coupe.
Yeah, original Meadowlark Yellow, and that's exactly what it is today. Good looking car, good looking stance on it. Tires look great. The overall appearance of this 68, just a great looking car. However, if you get up close within 15 foot, the paint job definitely all needs to be redone. It's probably 30, 40 years old. And if you look, there's just a lot of little checking and it's just old paint, you know? See all the little sand scratch, you know, it just needs to be all sanded down and redone, but it's a nice straight car.
Beauty of this car is it's really nice driving. Interior's beautiful. And, you know, guy can paint it whatever color he wants.
And look what they did under the hood. I mean, under the hood, the paint is really nice. Engine bay, it's got power steering, power brakes, which are great options for a Mustang. Brand new Napa Legend battery. Engine runs great, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Doll, is that a 4-barrel or a 2 in there? We'll check that out. Top of the inner fenders are in great shape.
Looks like it's probably a 4-barrel.
That's kind of what I thought too, but I just wanted to make sure. Both sides of the inner fenders are really, really solid on this nice old 68 Coupe. We get them in, we put a new master cylinder on it, went through the brakes, put a new battery in it, tuned it, just kind of went through everything with it. It is a 4-barrel carburetor, which is great. So it's something you don't have to do. This is gonna be kind of more of a budget price Coupe, Dalton. And 67 and 68s are really the most popular. We do really well with them. And like I said, the nicest thing is this is a Meadowlark Yellow car, and that's exactly what it's always been. I don't think anyone's ever changed the color at all. We got a lot of customers looking for Mustang Coupes all the time. This one's, like I said, do you know what I priced this one at? Was it $21,995, something like that?
I believe so.
So it's in a great price range. It's got the GT wheels on it, the rally wheels. Wheel well trim is new. As far as we do have a couple little bubbles right here at the, little rust bubble right here at the corner of the door. Back of the hood lines up good. Cowl, top of the fender, top of the door. It's got some little pits and stuff like that on the original mirror. Black vinyl top is awesome. As you look all the way across the top, almost perfect condition. Down here in the bottom, same thing. No bubbles, blisters, really clean. Back glass, back package tray, and the back top of the back seat all looks real decent. Again, top of the trunk lid, paint needs to be stripped on it. But pretty straight, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a straight car.
Rear quarter area is good. Over the wheel well is great. Look how nice that bottom of that door tucks into the quarter there. Tire tread is excellent. The tires look, you know, I didn't check the date, but they look relatively brand new. You know, the more I go around this little car, I like it.
I do too, yeah. Nice drivetrain, nice interior.
When it first came in, I mean, we love the little coupes if they're in the 30,000 range with better paint, but if you have somebody that can do some paint work or you don't really care, you know, you're just more into jumping in and driving it downtown, have some fun, for the price, it's a good car.
Mm-hmm, absolutely. It's got the trunks all painted as well.
Yep. But this would be a good point to say it. Whoever painted the inside of the trunk should have
gotten their paint gun taken away.
They should have, right? They should have.
They should have.
You know, hope the person that painted it inside the trunk isn't watching this video, but they should have had it taken away. All right, as far as the rear bumper is brand new, taillight lens is brand new, chrome around them, back trunk lid, gas cap, all that's new. Dual exhaust tips are new. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, Dalton. It's a cold start. We haven't fired this up for, what, 2 days? You're gonna see here, it'll be a complete cold start. So we'll try it without a pump first and just see how many times we have to pump it. Almost none. Sounds great, doesn't it?
Interior's beautiful too. Headliner's nice, light works.
But I can't hear you.
I'm gonna piss the office girls off.
All right, dome light works. This is gonna be sold pretty fast.
Yeah, it's a cool car.
As far as the other door, lines up really good over the wheel well. Again, paint needs to be redone, but there's no bubbles or blisters, nothing like that there. Top of the door lines up good. Nice even gap from top to bottom. Bottom of the fender, bottom of the door all look good. Again, right here, lines up good. Here's another thing, very important. So the door jam paint, I've never said this before, but the jam paint's actually nicer than the outside paint. I don't think I've ever said that, but look how, you know, the bottom of the doors are perfect. The jam paint's good here. Bottom of the hood looked beautiful, didn't it? We have original seats, so there is a couple little seam splits right there. So, you know, to be perfect, you'd want to do seat covers, but for original inside, original carpet still, look at that. So a real time capsule inside, original carpet, original seats, headliner is super tight, dome light's nice. Dash pad is good, it has a little warp to it, but not bad. Original steering wheel. Even in here, you can tell they did paint there. Roll the windows up, B. We'll take this beauty for a spin.
Windows look nice.
Yeah.
Side glass.
Yeah, if somebody can look past the paint, this is a really good car. Both corners of the doors are great. You still have the original tag. $64,603 miles. Very possible original. You know, I know, like I said, the paint's really old, but the inside definitely could be. It's hard to say that that's 164 on the inside with the original seat covers and the original carpet, but it could be. Here you go.
Yeah. We'll take it for a spin.
You can tell too underneath the hood. I mean, the engine compartment looks nice. I mean,
yeah.
Someone definitely did. You know, I'm assuming went through the motor the way it looks.
Yep. The way it sounds too.
Just how it shifts into gear here. Right into reverse, it doesn't jump in. The idle doesn't fluctuate a bunch. The more and more I'm around this little coupe, I love it. So as we're behind the wheel of this little coupe, talk about our gas gauge works, alternator gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, temperature gauge we'll find out here in a little bit. Heater fan works. We have plenty of miracle if that works, but we'll leave it on, see maybe it'll come on a little later. Horn, dome light works perfect. Headliner, as we talked, is in great shape. Seat covers, carpets, feels original. Dual exhaust sounds good. It does have a remote mirror. Park indicator light works good too. Just idle's great, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
It does have the turn signals in the hood, and they look like they're working. With the sun right, yep, they are. Sun right now. It's kind of. Here's our brakes too. So we had to do a bunch of brake work on it. We spent quite a bit of money there, and the brakes work excellent. We have a really nice full pedal. Guys did a nice job on that.
Yeah, they did.
It's actually going to be a pretty nice day. Yesterday we woke up to 4 inches of snow.
Yeah, just after 3 days of 55 degrees.
And today we got the window down, and it felt really good.
And then we're going to get more snow Saturday.
No, we're not, are we?
Yeah. Bullshit. This is what happens in Iowa, though. They trick you into thinking it's spring for a week, and then all of a sudden you wake up to a bunch of snow.
Ain't that the truth? Speedometer works good, Dalton. Like I said, if you're watching this video and you're just looking for a nice little coupe, I like this car.
Yeah, I do too.
Budget buster.
Budget buster. It is. It's a good little car for the money.
It is. Look at it.
Drives
as hell,
awesome.
man.
Nice.
Still Ford. You want to take the corner?
It was too straight. You know, like road curve, this thing kept going straight.
I love it. I have a whole new attitude to this little Meadowlark baby.
Yeah, it hauls, man. 75 miles an hour and feels like a new car.
It's pretty quiet inside too, so
yep.
definitely not a butchered up Mustang. One that's had about, you know, Frankenstein. A lot of these Mustangs have had so many parts off other cars.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I mean? They're just cut up and chopped up. And
Yeah.
this one seems like a nice little survivor.
Yes, it does. But check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Links down in the comment section of the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.